Hey everybody, Brian here. So we got the bees yesterday from Greg, and now we're gonna put them in the horizontal hives. So y'all are gonna see my mom actually put the bees in this one right here. So let's get this thing going so she can get a little scared. All right, everybody, so this is my mom. So this is the meaning behind Castle Hives. So she's gonna actually put this package into her horizontal hive here. So first thing, so pop this top board off.
I can do it, I can do it.
She can do it.
She's always trying to make me look like a weakling.
All right, now we want to save this, and we can actually set that up there. Okay. Now, we want to pry that out. So, here, you do that, and I'll grab the lip. Okay.
We got it?
Yep.
And then don't I have to have that thing there? Should you shake them to the bottom?
Here, take that there.
Okay.
Okay, get ready. Slide it on.
Okay. All right, I'm sliding it on. Oops.
Okay. And we'll save this.
Okay.
All right, we'll set that there. Now, we want to, let me give them a couple sprays. Now, give them a tap and get them all to the bottom. Get another good one. Okay. Here, let me spray them.
You're making my bees
All right,
best.
let's get the queen out.
Oh, there's the queen.
So she's right there. Alright, now we want to look at her and make sure that, oh, she's in there big.
A good deal.
Okay, now what we got to do here is,
Don't smash
we got to get,
They're already eating the candy on the end.
we got to get that plug there out.
Okay.
So I don't know if I have a screw.
Do you have a pen knife?
Here, y'all, I'll be right back. All right, we got a screw. So pop out the cork on the candy end. I'm gonna get it.
No.
Gotta do 9.
There we go.
All right,
Here's your
now
screw.
set that over there.
Now, do I put her between a couple frames?
So we're gonna move this over here, and we got to put her.
Or are you going to put her in the bottom?
Nope. So right like this here, and wedge her right in there.
Between 2 frames?
Just wedge it, put her right in the wax.
Okay.
And if she sticks, then that's good.
Okay.
All right.
Now I put these over.
Nope.
Now
You're going to take this and you're going to dump them in. Greg, she's doing it.
I've done it before.
They're still, you gotta watch the side so you can see where they are. See?
Wow, there's a lot of bees in here.
Yeah. Give it another tap. Okay. Now you got a whole bunch down here, so dump those.
Okay.
You can give it a couple taps if you want. Now they're all down on the other side. Okay. That's probably good. Now, we're going to go like this. Okay. And we want to slide that frame over.
Okay.
Just right like that.
Okay.
Gotta pry that one up. I can't get it with you standing there. Ah, there we go.
Don't smoosh any. Sorry about that.
All right. That's good, because I gotta get them slid over.
Okay, there's not many left in here. I know, girls. I'm so excited to have bees again. And these will come out of here because of the queen, right?
Yep.
Do I need to open up anything else on this box?
Nope.
Oh, wait. Why don't you just leave it like that? Where's the brush at? Did you bring a brush out?
No.
I'm gonna smush a lot of my bees.
Give me this. Here, hold that. I gotta get some kind of a shim for right there.
What do you mean? These are just kind of hanging out in the corners.
Yeah. Okay.
So where should I put these? Should I set this down inside of there?
Yeah, that's right. Well, no, set it out front. Sorry.
Oh, okay.
Okay, go ahead and grab
I got holes in my gloves.
if you want to walk up and grab the brush,
Okay.
that'll be good.
Don't trip on that post.
Yeah, I won't. Giving them 1 to 1. All right, y'all. So they're in. On to other ones. So hang on one second. We're going to get over to mine. All right, everybody, on to mine. That should be good. On there, yeah, just, that's fine. That's fine. If there's one or two, that's fine. And then this is gonna go.
You just killed a bee.
Well, I just killed a bee. So that's the horizontal hives. You know, we'll see how they do. I've never done them before. I'm gonna get on to the other hives now, so, and I might even have those done even before this. Who knows? I don't know how I upload these videos. But watch along and see how these horizontal hives build on up. I'm super curious. So everybody take care.